Alright, we have a Honeywell gas valve on a Whirlpool hot water heater that is flashing a trouble code for, it's got 5 flashes and it says sensor failure. I did a bunch of research on the internet, had a lot of trouble finding anybody that had this same problem, but once I got into it, I figured out what's going on. The gas valve is a natural gas is a plastic housing, and in the plastic housing is a sensor. Now once I got the thing removed, I found that the plastic housing is cracked. It has a whole bunch of hairline fractures, and when the water gets up to temperature, these fractures, these cracks expand, water would leak inside, and then I was noticing water dripping off the bottom of the gas valve. And I found this gas valve I Google searched it, and I found it anywhere from $50 to $150. So I decided the best solution to the problem was just replace the whole unit. Of course, this Whirlpool has a 6-year warranty, and my 6-year warranty expired December of 2017. So here we are in January of 2018, and my water heater quit. So alright, the other reason I decided to replace this hot water heater is because of the amount of sludge and buildup of junk that's inside the hot water heater. I guess I could flush it out. I'd rather just get rid of it.